they flip, they fly, they even show emotions. These 2026 robots are performing jaw-dropping stunts across the world. From superhero leaps to lifelike expressions, here are the 10 most advanced stunt robots taking 2026 by storm. 1. Ameca. Created by Engineered Arts, Ameca was designed not for brute strength or acrobatic stunts, but for presence. Ameca was built using a method called animation first, where engineers studied human motion, gestures, and micro-expressions before building its mechanical structure. Every movement, from the tilt of its head to the way its eyes track people, was modeled on the rhythm of human behavior. It has cameras in both eyes that allow it to perceive its surroundings and react in real time. We're doing a giveaway for a $200 Amazon gift card when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and comment below so we know to add you into the raffle. Thanks and best of luck to everyone who enters. When you see Ameca move, there's a strange sense of familiarity, as though a new form of life is observing you right back. Though still primarily used for interactions, such as greeting or guiding people in exhibitions and research centers, it represents a remarkable leap toward creating machines that can fit into social spaces naturally. Watching Ameca respond to its environment feels less like seeing a program in motion and more like witnessing an evolving personality take form before your eyes. 2. Leonardo. From the labs of the California Institute of Technology comes a robot that blurs the line between air and ground. Leonardo, short for Legs Onboard Drone, is a small yet remarkable hybrid that can both walk and fly. Standing about 2.5 feet tall, Leonardo moves with a grace that feels almost organic. It walks on 2 jointed legs, but can take off effortlessly using 4 angled propellers mounted on its shoulders. This combination of flight and balance allows it to perform stunts no other robot in the world can manage. It can ride a skateboard, walk on a slackline, and hover like a bird mid-step. Engineers studied the natural rhythm of birds to design Leonardo's mechanics, giving it a sense of control that merges biology and engineering. Watching it glide between walking and flying feels like observing evolution happen in real time. While still under development, Leonardo offers a glimpse of what might come next in robotics, where machines move with the same seamless agility found in the natural world. 3. Spider-Man Stuntronic. If there's one creation that perfectly combines engineering and entertainment, it is the Spider-Man Stuntronic. Built by the engineers and roboticists at Disney, this astonishing robot performs daily shows at the Avengers campus in the United States, soaring through the air like a true superhero. The Stuntronic is capable of flipping, twisting, striking mid-air poses, and landing gracefully before astonished audiences. It all began with a simpler prototype called Stickman, which could fold itself into a Z shape while flying before unfolding into a straight line. Later versions evolved into a more human-sized model with a 3D printed aluminum frame standing 5 feet 9 inches tall and weighing about 43 kilos. This design allowed precise posture control and balance while performing high aerial stunts. During testing, it was thrown as high as 65 feet into the air, and for a moment, it almost seemed to float. Beyond the dazzling shows, the Stuntronic hints at a new era for movie production, where stunt robots could take on dangerous performances, reducing the risks for human actors while maintaining the excitement of live action. 4. Digit. Developed by Agility Robotics, Digit represents a more grounded form of stunt precision. It might not perform cinematic flips, but it has mastered balance and recovery in unpredictable environments. Designed with an elegant human-like structure, Digit walks and runs with surprising stability, adjusting instantly to changes in terrain. Its ability to recover after losing balance is one of its defining features. When pushed or tripped, Digit realigns its posture in milliseconds, maintaining motion with a calm steadiness that feels almost alive. Its creators designed it to handle physical challenges that mirror human adaptability. Watching Digit navigate obstacles feels like watching a dancer maintain perfect rhythm no matter the floor beneath. This ability makes it ideal for both industrial applications and future live performances that demand fluid, dynamic movement. In an age where motion defines realism, Digit's mastery of balance sets a new standard for what we consider natural movement in robotics. 5. Home Rider. At first glance, the Home Rider might seem like an ordinary SUV, but beneath its sleek frame lies an incredible secret. Built by the special effects team at A to Z FX, this vehicle can transform itself dramatically with the push of a button. It widens and rises 5 feet into the air using a hydraulic lift system powered by a Honda generator. This transformation allows the driver to cruise smoothly over cars and traffic, creating the illusion of something straight out of a futuristic film. The vehicle weighs around 3,850 55 kilos, supported by thick, reinforced tires designed to carry the extra load. Underneath, 4 strategically placed cameras give the driver a clear view of the cars below, ensuring precision even in its elevated mode. What makes the Home Rider fascinating is how it merges cinematic imagination with practical engineering. It proves that innovation doesn't always have to live in theory or fiction. Sometimes it can exist right on the open road, turning a routine drive into a performance worthy of the big screen. 6. Cassie. Cassie, another remarkable creation from Agility Robotics, looks simple compared to humanoid robots, yet its movements are some of the most advanced ever built. With long bird-like legs and a springy gait, Cassie can walk, run, and balance with remarkable energy efficiency. Its design was inspired by the biomechanics of running animals, making it a pioneer in mechanical grace. Cassie's slender frame hides a complex system of sensors that help it adjust in real time to maintain rhythm and speed. It can run up slopes, turn sharply, and adapt to uneven surfaces while conserving power, something most robots struggle with. Cassie's greatest achievement lies not in how it looks, but in how it moves. Watching it sprint feels strangely natural, almost like seeing an animal designed for metal and logic. Every motion feels calculated yet effortless. In research labs, Cassie continues to be tested for athletic control, but its real value might lie in how it helps engineers understand the art of motion itself. It's not about how fast it runs, but how beautifully it does it. 7. Mercedes Viano Transformer. The Mercedes Viano Transformer by Electrons takes the idea of transformation and turns it into a living spectacle. It starts as a smooth, elegant vehicle but can morph into a completely different structure, revealing a side of engineering that seems more magic than mechanics. When activated, panels shift and expand, changing its entire stance while maintaining complete control and balance. What's striking about the Viano Transformer is how its designers balance strength with sophistication. Every movement feels deliberate, almost choreographed. It does so with the poise of a mechanical performer. Watching it switch forms is like witnessing a piece of art that's alive. Beneath its luxurious surface, intricate systems synchronize perfectly to ensure that every transition happens fluidly. The Viano Transformer stands as proof that machines can have personality, and that even something as familiar as a car can carry the spirit of a stunt performer ready to surprise the world. 8. Mantis. Towering over most robotic creations is Mantis, the largest all-terrain hexapod robot ever built. Designed by a team of British engineers, Mantis is a mechanical giant that walks with a confidence that feels almost animal-like. Standing over 9 feet tall and weighing nearly 2 tons, it is powered by a diesel engine that distributes hydraulic energy to 6 massive legs. Each leg moves independently, giving it the ability to traverse uneven ground and perform slow, deliberate stunts that look both majestic and eerie. The pilot can control Mantis from within its cockpit or remotely, depending on the performance needed. What makes Mantis mesmerizing is how something so massive can move with such balance and precision. It doesn't charge or rush. It walks, pauses, turns, and adjusts as though thinking about every step. Mantis in motion feels like watching a creature from another world exploring our own. It is both engineering and artistry, a living monument to how far imagination can go when given mechanical form. 9. BMW Transformer by Electrons. The BMW Transformer, another innovation by Electrons, is a stunning blend of design and kinetic intelligence. At first, it looks like a typical luxury car, but once its transformation sequence begins, it becomes an entirely new entity. Every part of its frame moves with exact timing, turning it from a car into a mechanical marvel. The engineering behind this is astonishingly intricate. Each joint and gear works in harmony to maintain stability while shifting between forms. Unlike earlier transformation prototypes, this model emphasizes smoothness and agility, allowing the transition to happen without abrupt motions. The BMW Transformer showcases what happens when precision meets creativity. It's not about copying science fiction, it's about bringing that fiction to life in the most refined way possible. It stands as a symbol of what can be achieved when imagination is backed by relentless craftsmanship. 10. Atlas. Among the world's stunt robots, none captures the human spirit of movement better than Atlas, developed by Boston Dynamics. Standing 5 feet tall and weighing 86 kilos, Atlas combines strength, agility, and awareness in a way that feels instinctive. It can run, jump, flip, and balance across a parkour course while constantly analyzing its surroundings. What makes Atlas remarkable is its coordination. 18 degrees of movement allow it to replicate the flexibility of a human body, while depth-sensing cameras help it read the environment and adjust its steps in real time. The robot converts perception into action using 3 onboard computers that process motion at lightning speed. Each time it performs, engineers learn more about how machines can refine their control and accuracy. Atlas is a living experiment in the art of motion. Atlas leaping across obstacles or regaining balance after a stumble feels surprisingly emotional. It is proof that even in robotics, grace can coexist with power. The rise of stunt robots has turned engineering into a form of performance art. From the expressive subtlety of Ameca to the aerial brilliance of Spider-Man's Stuntronic and the towering presence of Mantis, these creations represent how far human creativity can go when imagination meets precision. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching till the end. Which of these robots fascinated you the most? We want to hear from you, so please leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss what comes next. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.